Hey there, in this video, I'm going to share with you my tips for getting blocks super flat. All right, so when I am making my blocks, when it comes to pressing, I am a quilter who likes to press my seams to the side so then I can nest my seams here. See how these seams are going in opposite directions? They are nesting. My next tip is I will grade my seams whenever I have a bunch of fabric and seams coming together at one point like this one. I grade my seams to reduce that fabric bulk coming together for the seam. And then when I am pressing, I am using my iron on the hottest setting, and I'm pressing and not ironing. And then when I'm finished pressing, I will add some starch. So right now I am using Mary Ellen's Best Press. So if I'm pressing this seam right here, I will add some starch and then I will press it again, and I'm going to press it slowly. And then after I'm done pressing, I am going to place a wood clapper on top of the seam I just pressed. And if it's a long one, I might have two clappers here. The key here is patience. Wait for your seam to cool. And so let's say I am pressing a batch of blocks. So what my process might look like is once I finish pressing, I will take the newly pressed block and I will put it over here in my pile, and I will put the clapper on top, and then I will press my next block. That way I'm working on a new block, pressing a new block, and then the old block is cooling. And then as a bonus, some of the members in my Make Modern Triangles Club have said and shared with us that for really problematic points, they have even taken a rubber mallet or a hammer to those problematic blocks, and they had some really good success. So that's it. Those are my tips for getting super flat quilt blocks. This is what works for me. If you have something that really works for you, I would love it if you would share it with us in the comment section. And if you want to learn more about my Make Modern Triangles patterns, you can go to makemoderntriangles.com or visit the link in the description. Happy quilting!